In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a date-based availability template. This is a set of dates when you have a different availability than your typical availability. To do that, go to the top menu bar and select Availability. You should arrive on a page that looks like this and shows a calendar with your availabilities. To create a date-based availability template, go to the top menu bar and select Templates. Now the template that will automatically come up is your global template. I'm going to create a new date-based template, so to do that I will select the arrow next to Templates, and I'm going to choose Add from the drop-down menu. Now I have to choose the scope that I want to create a template for. So I'm going to click the arrow, and from the drop-down menu I'm going to select one of the date-based template options. You can only create a date-based template for a specific location. You cannot create a global date-based template. I'm going to choose the after hours restaurant date-based template. And then I'm going to choose the start and end dates. Let's say it's finals week in school, so the days when I'm available to work are different than usual. So I'm going to choose my finals week. I will select the calendar next to start and pick a Monday, and then I will change it to that whole week. If I messed up and I don't like this, I'll hit close. If I want to save it, I will choose save. And now I have a new date-based availability template. Notice that all of the days are automatically marked as not available, whereas a usual template is automatically marked as available. I'm going to say that I can still work Tuesday, and I can work a partial day on Thursday. So I will select Thursday, and then in the not available column, I will choose the arrow and say I'm available in the afternoon. So I'm going to say I'm available from 1 to 10:30 p.m. In order for those changes to take effect, I do need to scroll to the bottom. If I don't want them to take effect, I can hit delete, but I do, so I will hit save. And now a green save bar has appeared next to delete, letting me know when I last saved this page. Even though this is finals week, I do want to work at least one of these days, so I'm going to change the priorities of my days to make it a higher priority. In the priority column, I will select the arrow, and from the drop-down menu, I'm going to choose 7. And I will do the same thing to Thursday. If those changes look good, I will go ahead and hit save again. And now the template has been saved. To see what this looks like on your availability calendar, go to your top menu bar and select My Availability. And you'll arrive back at your availability calendar page. Notice that week now has 2 sets of availabilities, the usual global availability and my new location-specific date-based availability. You can see I'm not available to work Monday at after hours. I can work on Tuesday. I can't work on Wednesday. I can work a partial day on Thursday, and I can't work on Friday. And that's how you create a date-based availability template for a specific location. To learn how to create a one-time availability change and override your usual template, check out the next video.